our morning be like. Good morning. Shh. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, Lola. Milk, milk. Nabait mo. Morning. My what you just said earlier on the last one, the Irish people. Saint Patrick. Happy Saint Patrick to Tristan. You will all green, guys, even the socks. Of course, the mommy. The mommy of all. And then we will take you guys with us. Ayan. Makita niyo yung road. We will take you. Punta kami ng Axe Bridge where we used to live. Punta kami doon. My kids gonna meet up their friends.
It's an annoying sound.
Did you not bring your headset, man?
I did. That's what you mean. It's an annoying sound. I think I'd rather hear the drill.
It's really good, this study. I can access through my phone too. Ayan o, naka-access ko kayo dito, guys. Ang ganda ng DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Nice weather, huh? Look at the road. It's so narrow for me, huh? The weather and look at the view. Ang ganda ng view talaga. Every time we travel around in here, I enjoy the view.
If they're stiff in areas.
Siya. Nagpunta muna kami sa McDonald's, guys. Dito sa Axe Bridge. Ay, jump! Ay, nako. No. Come here. He's a happy boy. He rubbed mommy on a perfume shop. Nagpabili ng perfume, guys. Hulaan nyo magkano pinabili niyang perfume. 104 pounds.
Wow!
Unending birthday present. Hindi pa niya birthday, ha? 12 of July pa birthday niya. Dami niya nang pinabibili. Happy boy? You happy? Come on, we go. Daddy didn't call me yet. M&S. Tapos eto din, nirab na rin ako niyan. Come on. Let's go! Ayan na naman siya. She gonna rub. Ha? Ha? Oh? Namiss niya yung Axe Bridge ko. Hi, Pogi! It's okay. Akala niya picture. Hindi niya alam video. Tingnan yung mukha niya. Ha? I thought this said video. So, and that one there. Another flower there. Ayun, no? Puro balloon. Natawagan niya ako. Eh, nasa labas na ako. Tingnan mo yung aking Girl Scout. Boy Scout. Tingnan mo. Okay, then.
I said, you know, if we were to come back and get him about 6 or 7 o'clock, she's happy.
Okay.
Yeah. My best thought is, let me.
Yeah.
No. Hear me out.
Yeah, I know.
Let me call Kuya. Ask him, and I'll tell him make his way there. No, make his way there. It'll be quicker, babe.
Yes, mum.
He's quick. He's like the station's right next door to him.
But we are here close to him. Why?
Because it will take us longer. And to be fair enough, he will get quicker there as well because he can go now. Yeah.
Pick him up much better so we can chit chat.
Well, we'll chit chat when we're there. He's only in the car.
Magkakablakay talaga to. We had space. I wanna see him. Because he had an accident. I wanna see him.
You will see him, babe. Yeah?
At least he won't walk around.
Straight there. We go straight there. It makes sense.
Okay, come on na before I give you a big black
I
eye.
tell him to make his way there, okay?
So annoying. You're the most annoying man on earth.
Just don't listen to me.
Yes, you are. You are. You know, I shouldn't. I shouldn't listen.
I have a fragrance.
Hello there, mate.
I told you, give him a big black eye for mommy. Come on. Give him. Come on. While he's not looking, yeah. Come on. Yeah, come on. One more.
Yeah? Exactly. It makes much more sense. We go there, and we're going to make our way there now. We're probably going to go for did you eat?
Come on. I will eat. I will eat. Come on. Hit him up. Namiss ko yung vegetable and fruits. Namiss ko to. Nice. May radish sila. Lalaki ng talong. Tapos may ampalaya. Chili, oh. No, I don't want kasi it's bininasan. Namiss ko yung Axe Bridge. We're in the 5, guys. Let's go. Dito na kami sa Westfield. Where we gonna meet Kuya? Oh, that's nice, Daddy. Oh, I want that. I want that. Oh, massage. We do that, Daddy. Yeah. Pangit. I want that. Oh. I do that. Kikitain namin si Kuya dito sa Thai. Tommy? Sa Thai restaurant. We go there na. Yeah. Ang taba. Tumaba ka. Asan yung ano mo? Na paano? We miss Kuya. Kuya. We travel so far for what? Ask Kuya. What? Ask Daddy why we travel here.
I wanted to come here because I'm just trying to find the deals are being held through because the money.
Nantok ako. Ang ganda ng mga sandali. Na-miss ko to. It's so sour.
What's that?
Try it.
Oh, you gonna rub it?
Try it. Come on.
You gotta wrap it.
Ay, rabbit ang mani mo. Na-miss niya. You miss, ano? Luna?
I missed the little twat.
Wala ito. Tuwak yan.
Who's that?
Dito pala kami, shopping. Shopping kami, guys. Kagigising niya lang, guys. Pero nasa car park na uli kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Ito ibibigay namin sa kaibigan ni Gabriel. Kasi iniwan namin si Gabriel sa friend niya sa house nung mami. So ibibigay namin niya 1 dozen to say thank you. Na si Gabriel, inano nila. Ano ba yun? Kinupkop talaga. Nakipaglaro kasi si Gabriel sa dati niya kaklase. Yung best friend niya dito. Binili ako ni Daddy ng Ghost na kasi 50% doon. Pakikita ko niya lang sa inyo later. Yan. Give it to Mami. Tatapon niyo doon yung ice cream. Ang mahal-mahal ng ice cream. Ayun. Kaya tumataba ako. Hindi na ako nangangayayat. Guys, tagasalo ko. Kaya hindi na ako nangangayayat. Tagasalo ko ng mga pagkain nila. Nakakabuisit. Hello. Hirap, Mami. We will show it to them, yeah? Your perfume later, yeah?
Yeah.
Unboxing, yeah? Salted caramel. Yep. Just try salted caramel. Just try. It's really.
I'm not going to appreciate the taste.
Just try and then give it back to me.
Okay.
Tinry nga. Sa car na kami. Are you happy, Budol girl? Mga budol, eto. In my left, Budol. In my right, say hi, Budol.
Hi, Budol.
Say Budol ako.
Budol ako.
Say Budol ako.
Budol ako.
Say Budol ako. Where's Kuya? Wala, iniwan na si Kuya.
Behind us.
But what does Budol ako mean?
What is Budol? Wait. Ayan na, Kuya. You can ask Kuya what's that mean.
Kuya, what does Budol ako mean?
Huh?
What does Budol ako mean?
I don't even know you.
You don't know?
What is it?
I thought you know. Don't worry.
I know what bulaklak is.
What is bulaklak?
Flower.
Flower. Okay. I thought you gonna say pek-pek.
That's different.
Down below, what is budol ako?
Guys, comment down below what Budol ako means.
I wanna know.
I wanna know.
Please, it's urgent.
Please, Sergeant.
It's probably something that you don't want to know.
Because I know it.
Aray ko, sakit ang tahi ko. Putang ina. Sakit ang tahi ko. Ang pinipindot ko.
It just will be something like that though, will it?
Hmm?
It's gonna be something like that though, will it?
What is it? Why stop down? Luna is Budol. The Budol princess. Yeah? I give you a hint. Okay? Luna. She is a Budol princess.
Crazy.
No. In a shop, you know, she always, when we went out,
She screams.
no. Tagal. Yeah, I give you a clue already. This is a good clue.
What does she do in the shop?
She scream. She
No.
walk around.
What does she... either not, what does she get in the shop?
Toy.
Yeah.
And what is that? Which is...
Which is toy.
No, which
Budol
is...
is
Spoiled.
All spoiled.
spoiled or... No, not actually spoiled. Budol is you always rob the person.
So you Budol.
No,
It's dinner Budol.
No, you're Budol.
I'm not Budol.
You're a putoy-toy.
Ano kuya?
Putoy-toy.
You're putoy-toy. Is he a tiny putoy-toy or big putoy-toy?
Huh? I don't even know. I don't even need I don't need a translation. I know what I mean.
Is he a tiny or big?
I'll go for, what is it?
Which one?
Read the comments. The viewers decide.
Ay, daw mag-decide kung big or small. Tangin na.
No,
Ay,
that's
budol.
Like a delay. There's like a 5-minute delay.
Ay, Budol. Mommy is Budol too. Isn't it, Daddy? Ay, Budol Daddy.
Spoiled dad.
Pero, car. Tingin yung car doon nakasabit oh. Look at the car. Inubok sa kagagawan ko. Aray ko. May tummy hurt. Ganda dito.